Wouldn't it be good to have an extra pair of hands? Maybe up there? You can now, and it's called the Hover X1 ProMax, and this is it. So, dolly track seems to work in wide open spaces with varying results. Mainly, yesterday I tried it and spent 10 minutes looking at the X1 in a hedge. So all we can do is keep trying to train the AI and take it from there.
Is the X1 ProMax worth it? I think as long as you approach it knowing what its limitations are, it's definitely worth it. For me, it does what I need it to do. The manual control is, this is my first drone, but the manual control is simple and easy. Oh yeah, it shoots 8K. Whether that's good or not, it is for me. So anyway, Hover X1 ProMax, pretty cool.